things. Man, that is horrible. It's like a snake coming out of there. Like a snake. Oh man, that scared me. That's scary. Kiki, that's scary. That's pretty scary.
Oh, that's funny.
I expected, you know, these little things come out, not two big old things.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Whose idea was this?
I found that at the Goodwill one day.
Really? And you opened it up?
Well, I knew what it was, but,
How funny. Who would you have it open? At the kids?
yeah, one by one.